Hi, how you doing? I'm Said Khan from affiliateship.com and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to go through the Microsoft affiliate program where you can earn affiliate commissions promoting Microsoft products. Okay, so many of us are familiar with the brand Microsoft as we've grown to, grown up and still grown up, some of us, using popular apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, etc. Right? Microsoft now a $1 trillion company, and it's so huge that you can take certifications in Microsoft, make an IT career out of it, just supporting Microsoft products. For example, when I started out, my career in IT support years ago, I also attained some professional qualification in Microsoft. I gained some qualification in an effort to boost my IT career at the time, and I was, having Microsoft certified professional in my CV, I think kind of helped me, jobs and stuff like that. So anyways, coming back to Microsoft, with over 1 billion users and about 30 million daily use of Microsoft products worldwide. And to top it off, another massive statistics is that Microsoft Windows operating systems are installed on in 77% of the kind of computers in the world. So I have two computers myself, a MacBook Air, a laptop, and a very dated Lenovo laptop, which is still running on Windows 7 and going very strong after 10 years as well. So you could say that I'm in the 77% of the statistics using a Windows computer. And most likely you too have used some Microsoft products at some point in your life, probably are right now. So with the impressive statistics and user base that Microsoft has achieved over the years, I think you'll agree that there's a big demand for Microsoft products in the world. So with global mass success like this, it brings opportunities for us affiliate marketers, because that's where the money and demand are, right? And affiliate marketing is about capitalizing on where demand is, where people are spending money, and basically giving what the people want. And Microsoft products are definitely in demand, popular, and having proven to have mass appeal to a wider audience. This brings me onto the topic of the Microsoft affiliate program, which provides affiliates an opportunity to officially partner up with the software giant Microsoft and earn affiliate commissions promoting Microsoft products. So if you enjoy Microsoft products, you have a blog or a website that's in the technology niche, then the Microsoft affiliate program may be of interest to you. With the Microsoft affiliate program, you can earn commissions from a wide range of popular Microsoft products. Here's just some of the high quality products that you can earn commissions from by promoting the Microsoft products. Okay, so Microsoft Office range, including the Office 365, the Office standalone products, various Office standalone products, Microsoft Surface, the premium grade laptop range from Microsoft. I think they got a few different versions, and so you can get commissions from that, promoting the Microsoft laptops. Microsoft Xbox, the highest rated video games console from the Microsoft family, including the Microsoft games as well. You can earn commission from the Microsoft video games. Other commission products include various Microsoft accessories, subscriptions, apps, and movies and TV and stuff like that. So as you can see, there's quite a wide range of products that you can promote and be proud to promote, as it's a trusted, well-known brand. Let's get to the commission. So commissions will be about up to 10% you can earn commissions on qualifying products. Okay, so 10% commissions or lower commission up to 10% is pretty much the usual you can expect from big branded companies. Even Amazon, I think, pays similar, up to 10% or so commissions, similar rate commissions. Okay, so whether you promote Microsoft products or not, it will depend on your niche, whether you're interested in Microsoft, of course, and if commissions of up to 10% are appealing to you. Also keep in mind that you're promoting a brand that may many people recognize and trust for the quality of the products, the brand. Therefore there may be a better chance of conversions as well. Okay, so there you have it, an opportunity to promote products from one of the biggest brands in the world, Microsoft. And if you're interested, learn more about the Microsoft affiliate program, see if it's a good fit for your niche, for your affiliate website, for your affiliate marketing, then visit microsoftaffiliate.com, the website. Okay, and you can get more information on the Microsoft affiliate program. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. Microsoft affiliate program. If you're interested, check it out, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateship.com/newsletter. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and all the best.